Hi my friends, today I'm working on a dryer and I will give you a really good tip. Today is Saturday and I'm free inside my garage, and I just want to give you some tips on a dryer. I didn't have anything to work on it, but here I got this extra dryer. The dryer looks like this. It's GE dryer. From inside it looks like that. This is the door. This is the model number. It's PUSR 473ET5WW, and that's your serial number. The model number is important if it's not in warranty, but if it's under warranty, the serial is important. Okay, so it's not important at all. As you can see, this is the door clip, or they call it door lock or door latch. You wouldn't call it door latch, but maybe door clip. And here's another piece. So every time you close the door, see how it goes. This little piece sticks inside there. Okay, and it locks the door, and then once the door locks, this is the main part that switches in. You can hear a click noise too, see? That click noise means that it's going to give continuity, and then the whole dryer will run. If the door is not locked and this switch is not pressed in, the dryer is not gonna start. Okay, so the tip for today is, you see this piece? This is very common. After a couple years, it breaks, it goes inside, or anything happens to this. It's soft. I've seen very less that door strike breaks on these. I've never seen it breaking unless you slam it in a wrong way or something happened to it. This little small part breaks all the time, and if this breaks, you don't have to replace it. Why? Because you have to replace it, but you don't have to buy this part from outside. What you're gonna do, look on another side. Here's another baby. You see this? It's exactly the same part. Sorry guys, this is exactly the same part that goes in here. The reason they have this part here, because you can change the door swing on this one. So if you look at these two plastic clips, there is a hole. So here, I'll take it off. This comes off, so you can change the door swing from the right hand side to the left hand side. So that's why you get two of those clips. So if that breaks, what you're gonna do, you will get a flat screwdriver. I love this screwdriver. Someone stole my tools from the back of my van, and on Facebook there was a beautiful community, and I just asked them for some tips and tricks how to find my tools, but everyone was ready to help me. So they put money together, and everybody helped me. I got all my tools back. It's in St. James community, Winnipeg. I love this community, and I work on most of their appliances. Okay, so this flat screwdriver was given to me by one of the Facebook users. Okay, so you're gonna use a flat screwdriver and pry it. You can pry it from this side, or I've seen it that most of the time technicians pry it out from here, from the bottom, and then it comes out. See, it comes out, and then from the top you're gonna pry it out. I'm sorry guys that I'm using one hand on the phone, and here, look at this clip. It's a little bit tricky to take it out with that one hand, but because I'm making video, I will show you how to take this off, but I can take it off. I hope I don't break it. If I put my phone down, I might be able to take it out easily, but other than that, with one hand it's really challenging. The reason it doesn't come out because on another side of this piece there's a piece of steel here, there's another one on that side, that's why it's not trying to come out. I'm using one hand and a screwdriver. If you use two of your hands you can take it out, it's not a big deal. Okay, so I kind of pull it out, see what happens. See this clip, how it looks, and you can install it in there. You don't have to wait for the part, you don't have to buy a part. Actually, you can take it from one side, stick it in another side, and your dryer is fixed. Otherwise, if you don't know this, you have to wait for a couple of days. Sometimes they don't have it in stock, but it's very common part. Most of the technicians, they have it in stock, but you don't need to book a service call or call a technician for this. It's a very easy job and anybody can do this. You take it out from one side and stick it on another side. The hole on that side will look like this. I'm gonna put it in, press it, and then the job is done. I hope this trick helped someone on YouTube. If you guys have any question, please comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a good day, guys.